Welcome back with me, Janes Lumbanturuan. Here, our topic is about talking about self. Talking about self or introducing ourselves, memperkenalkan diri kita. Memperkenalkan diri kita di sini kepada tentunya orang lain supaya lebih mengenal siapa diri kita. Then, what should be considered when we are talking about self? Apa yang harus kita pertimbangkan kita memperkenalkan diri? Well, if you want to introduce yourself, there are several things that you should introduce. Namely, baiklah jika kamu ingin memperkenalkan diri kepada orang lain, ada beberapa hal yang harus kamu sampaikan, harus kamu perkenalkan. Yaitu, first, name, nama kamu. Second, age, umur kamu. Third, address, alamat kamu. Fourth, occupation, pekerjaan kamu. Fifth, hobi, kegemaran kamu. Sixth, family, keluarga atau berapa bersaudara. Seventh, ambition or dream, cita-cita kamu. Oke, number one. My name is, nama saya adalah, I am, saya bernama. You can call me, jika kamu punya nama panggilan, kamu bisa memanggil saya. Next, number two, age, I am bla 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 years old, saya berumur sekian tahun. I was born in, saya lahir di. I was born on, saya lahir tanggal. Bedakan antara in dengan on di sana ya. Yang ketiga, address, alamat. I live in, I live on, saya tinggal di. Jika lengkap punya alamat, katakan on. I'm originally from, but now I live in. Saya sebenarnya dari, tapi sekarang saya tinggal di. Number 4, occupation, pekerjaan. I am a student in, saya siswa di. Number 5, hobi. Jika hobinya satu, my hobby is. Jika hobinya lebih dari satu, my hobbies are. Number 6, family. I have blah blah brothers and sisters. Saya punya sekian saudara laki-laki, punya sekian saudara perempuan. Jika putra tunggal atau putri tunggal, I am an only son and I am an only daughter in our family. Bisa kamu katakan. Number 7, ambition or dream. I have an ambition to be a. Saya punya cita-cita menjadi. I have a dream, bisa kamu katakan. Expression, ungkapan yang harus kamu sampaikan sebelum kamu memperkenalkan diri kamu. Bisa kamu katakan, let me introduce myself. I would like to introduce myself. Hello, introduce myself. Now let's move to our English book. You may see the second, third, fourth, and fifth page. Kita beralih ke buku pegangan kita, buku bahasa Inggris kita, untuk halaman 2, halaman 3, halaman 4. Saya akan menjelaskan di sana. Oke, let's try. Alright, my students, now let's move to our English book. Let's see page 2 or the second page. Vocabulary builder. Match the word with their Indonesian equivalents. Compare your word with your classmates. The first one has been done for you. Katanya di sini, cocokkanlah kata-kata berikut ini yang sesuai dengan bahasa Indonesianya. Bandingkan pekerjaanmu dengan teman sekelasmu. Dan di sini nomor 1 sudah dikerjakan ya. Mari kita lihat. Pen pal. Pen pal dibuat di sana di tanda panah itu sahabat pena. Ya, sahabat pena. Next, sound. Sound. Yang kita tahu sound itu adalah bunyi, suara, tapi sound di sini artinya nampaknya. Yang selanjutnya run. Run. Yang kita tahu run itu kalau kita lihat kamus itu artinya berlari. Tapi di sini run artinya bukan berlari tapi mengelola. Mengelola. Next, in bracket artinya dalam kurung, be into. Kalau dibuat di sana be dalam kurung artinya kita menyesuaikan dengan kalimatnya. Tergantung be-nya apa, bisa is, am, are atau yang lain ya. Be ditambah dengan kata into yang artinya into, yang kita tahu into artinya ke dalam, tapi di sini into artinya bukan ke dalam, tapi into di sini artinya sangat menyukai. Yang selanjutnya attend. Attend in bracket school, college. Ya, artinya attend dipasangkan dengan kata school, attend dipasangkan dengan kata college. Attend school or attend college artinya bersekolah atau kuliah. Selanjutnya distant. Distant. Distant ini yaitu artinya jauh ya. Selanjutnya commuter train. Commuter train. Commuter train itu artinya kereta komuter. Selanjutnya magnificent. Magnificent. Magnificent ini artinya luar biasa. Mother tongue. Mother tongue. Mother tongue ini artinya bahasa ibu atau bahasa pertama. Dan yang terakhir kamu lihat di sana half sister. Half sister. Half brother. Half brother. Half sister ini artinya saudari tiri. Half brother artinya saudara tiri. Okay. Then you may see page 3. Page 3. Right? And now please listen to the audio and you may repeat by yourself. Sekarang coba kamu dengarkan kepada audio kata-kata berikut dan kamu bisa mencoba mengulanginya. Oke.
Pen pal. Pen pal. Sound. Sound. Run. Run. Into. Into. Attend. Attend. Distant. Distant. Commuter train. Commuter train. Magnificent. Magnificent. Mother tongue. Mother tongue. Half sister. Half sister. Half brother. Half brother.
Now we continue to the fourth page. Halaman keempat. You may listen to the audio to read the text one. And then my beautiful sister will explain it to you more. Right? Let's start now.
Text 1, an email from Hannah. Hello, Alia. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hannah. I know your name from my friend, Caroline. She told me that you sent her an email telling her that you would like to have more pen pals from the US. I'd really like to be your e-pal. You sound really cool. I guess I'd better tell you something about myself first. I'm 16 years old and I attend Thomas Edison High School here in Minneapolis, Minnesota, USA. I have 2 brothers and 2 half-sisters and I'm the middle child. My father died a few years ago, so my mother runs the house and the family business. My father was a barista. I have lots of hobbies. I like music, mostly classical music and folk music, but I don't play an instrument. I like sports, especially tennis and basketball. At school I'm in the basketball team and I spend most of my extracurricular time playing basketball. I'm into animals very much. My sister and I have 3 dogs. They need lots of attention as you can imagine. My favorite subjects at school are art and geography. I think I'd like to become a park ranger when I graduate, perhaps work for the National Parks Service. I don't like reading, but I love drawing and painting. How about you? Please drop me a line, Alia. Can't wait to hear from you. Hannah.
Now, let's discuss the text together. First, look at the first paragraph. You will see the bold type of letter. And let's see the first word. This is pen pals. Do you know what is the meaning of pen pals? Pen pals means sahabat pena in Indonesian language. And then the next one
You sounds really cool. You sounds really cool.
means kamu nampaknya keren ya. Seperti itu ya. Kamu tampak keren. Seperti itu. Nah, on this paragraph, Hannah is introducing herself. She also told Alia that she got her name from her friend. Her name is Caroline, right? Jadi si Hannah tahu tentang Alia melalui temannya yang bernama Caroline. And after that, what else? Hannah told that she wants to be Alia's pen pals. Yang mana Hannah pengen banget nih jadi teman sahabat pena ya. Sahabat penanya si Alia. Nah, let's see the second paragraph. On this paragraph, you may see that Hannah is telling about herself more. Dia menceritakan her family. She told to Alia that she has 2 brothers and 2 half sisters. Kamu tahu half sisters itu apa? Half sisters itu adalah saudara tiri. Jadi mereka seibu atau seayah. Seperti itu ya. And then Hannah also said that she is a middle child. A middle child berarti dia anak tengah. So she has 2 brothers and 2 sisters ya. 2 half sisters. Jadi she is in the middle. These are brothers, these are sisters, and she is in the middle, right? Next, Hannah also told Alia that her father has passed away. Berarti ayahnya sudah meninggal. Therefore, her mom runs the family and the business. Runs itu maksudnya adalah menjalankan atau melaksanakan, seperti itu ya. She runs the business, berarti dia yang menjalankan bisnis keluarga. Now let's talk about the third paragraph. On this paragraph, Hannah told about her hobbies. There are a lot of hobbies. The first one is listening to music, right? But she cannot play instruments. Maksudnya adalah dia suka musik, tapi dia tidak bisa bermain alat musik. Seperti itu ya. Next, she also likes sport. Dia suka main basketball and she is in the basketball team. And she also likes tennis. Nah, Hannah juga bilang, I'm into animals very much. Into means that sangat menyukai, sangat mendalami, sangat menyukai lah. For example, dia pecinta hewan. Jadi dia bilang, I'm into animals very much. Seperti itu ya. And guess what? She has 3 dogs. Dia punya 3 anjing. After that, Hannah also tells about her favorite subject at school. She likes art, and then she also likes geography. In the last sentence of the 3rd paragraph, Hannah tells that dia ingin jadi apa in the future. Dia bilang maybe someday dia mau bekerja di National Park Service. So, in the 3rd paragraph, Hannah tells about her hobbies, her favorite paths, and also her dreams in the future. Okay, in the last paragraph, Hannah memberitahukan kesukaannya dan yang tidak disukainya. Yang dia tidak sukai adalah reading. She doesn't like reading. But dia suka painting and drawing. Dia suka menggambar dan juga melukis seperti itu. So, in the last paragraph, dia closing dengan ini. And also, dia bilang dia tidak sabar untuk menanti jawaban dari Alia. Itu cara meng-closing letternya. So, that's the explanation about the letters.
Thank you, my beautiful sister, for your explanation about text 1. Now, let's move to the text 2, the second text. You may listen to this audio. Let's start.
Text 2. A letter from Seda. Assalamualaikum Alia. It was very interesting to read your letter about yourself and your hometown. I would really like to be your pen friend. I'm a 16-year-old school student from Johor Bahru in Malaysia. Actually, I attend an Islamic boarding school just outside the city, but my family live in Kuala Lumpur. My eldest sister is a medical doctor. My younger brother is an elementary school student. My favorite subjects are social sciences. I like history very much. It helps me know more how different countries existed in the past. At school we are supposed to use English at all times, so we have become quite fluent, although sometimes we slip back into Malay, which is our mother tongue. As for hobbies, I'm really into songs and music. My favorite boy band is One Direction. My favorite Malay singer is, of course, Siti Nurhaliza. I also like watching movies, especially comedies. The actor I like best is Tom Cruise. I'm really into books. I like reading novels and short stories. I like some writers in English, like J.K. Rowling, and Indonesian writers too, like Andrea Hirata and Ahmad Fuadi. My dream, when I'm older, is to be a writer of science fiction books. I'd really love to come to Indonesia someday, especially to the magnificent Raja Ampat in Papua. What about you? Do you want to visit my country? Wassalam.
Mari kita lihat teks yang kedua, A Letter from Saida. Sebuah surat dari Saida. Assalamualaikum Alia. Menarik rasanya membaca surat kamu, yaitu mengenai dirimu dan mengenai kampung halamanmu. Saya sungguh ingin menjadi sahabat penamu. Saya sekarang berusia 16 tahun sebagai siswa dari Johor Bahru di Malaysia. Sebenarnya saya bersekolah di Islamic Boarding School di luar kota, tetapi keluarga saya tinggal di Kuala Lumpur. Kakak saya yang paling tua itu sebagai dokter medis, dan adik saya yang paling muda itu di sekolah dasar. Mata pelajaran kesukaan saya yaitu ilmu pengetahuan sosial. Saya suka belajar sejarah karena pelajaran sejarah itu membuat saya mengerti lebih banyak lagi tentang perbedaan kota-kota, perbedaan negara-negara pada masa lalu. Di sekolah kami belajar dengan menggunakan bahasa Inggris sepanjang waktu. Jadi kami bisa lebih lancar berbahasa Inggris, tapi sekali-sekali juga bisa bahasa Malaysia, bahasa Melayu ya, di mana bahasa Melayu itu sebagai bahasa ibu atau bahasa pertama kami. Untuk hobi, saya sangat suka dengan lagu dan musik. Ya. Boyband favoritku yaitu One Direction. Sedangkan penyanyi Melayu kesukaanku itu ya Siti Nurhaliza. Saya juga suka menonton menonton bioskop, secara khusus yang bergenre komedi ya. Tapi saya paling suka itu, aktor yang paling saya suka itu yaitu Tom Cruise. Saya menyukai buku-buku. Saya suka membaca novel atau cerpen ya. Saya suka beberapa penulis dalam bahasa Inggris, penulis Inggris seperti J.K. Rowling. Untuk penulis Indonesia seperti Andrea Hirata, Ahmad Fuadi ya. Jika nanti saya makin dewasa, cita-citaku ingin menjadi seorang penulis ya, penulis buku fiksi. Saya ingin sekali mengunjungi Indonesia suatu saat nanti, khususnya itu Raja Ampat yang luar biasa yang ada di Papua. Bagaimana dengan kamu? Apakah kamu ingin juga mengunjungi negaraku? Ya, itulah dia kira-kira terjemahan dari teks untuk teks yang kedua, surat dari Saida. Right, I think that's all my explanation about our topic, and I say thank you.